Hey guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you easy way to make an online selling stunning images in marketplaces such as Shutterstock and Adobe Stock without prior experience or being a professional. And now let's dive in. And if we take Shutterstock as an example of these websites where you can sell your images and videos, here you can type on Google search Shutterstock contributor and jump into the first result. Then you can sign up for free using your email or your Gmail. Afterward, you will be taken to this dashboard of Shutterstock where you can upload your asset, whether it has video or image, and if anyone buys this video or image, you will get a commission. And here, before getting the content of our video, how you can make online selling images without any experience, here a good question comes up. Can we use AI image generators like Midjourney to generate high quality images and sell them on Shutterstock? Right off the bat, the answer is no. And the first short is not my opinion. Here on guidelines of Shutterstock contributor, does Shutterstock accept submissions of AI generated content from contributors? The answer is clearly no. So you can't rely on Midjourney or Ideogram and so on to craft beautiful images and sell them in this marketplace. And instead, I'm gonna show you 3 different ways to get and create amazing and stunning images that highly demanded on Shutterstock for anyone. So now let's get started with the first one, that is you can create beautiful images on canva.com. And here this first method depends on creating high quality images, consists of 2 different elements, graphics and text, that convey some concepts, information that convey a concept or idea any blogger or content creator needs in their articles or videos. So simply we can head over to ChatGPT, and here we can ask this amazing tool to give us different ideas to create images that consist of only text and graphics on canva.com that transfer different ideas and concepts and highly demanded for bloggers and content creators. Like this one gave me some image ideas to create on Canva using only graphics and text that convey concepts related to our daily life activities. For sure you can change this one with any niche you want or any idea, such as, and here you can give some examples to be more digested, like comparison between money and family using a scale, or 2 different directions refer the current chaos of life and the right mindset, and so on. And these images are easy to make but are highly demanded for bloggers and content creators. And just in snap, ChatGPT gave me a lot of different ideas of these images, as you see, like money versus family, balance on a scale. Here you can find this concept, the whole idea from this image, and the elements used to create and craft this image on Canva, like a graphic of a scale, money and text, and the chaos versus clarity, 2 directions, the mindset, 1 time slipping through hands, and so on and so forth. So I just tried a couple of these ideas to create different and wonderful images on canva.com. So here you can head over to Canva and make your canvas square, like 1000 width and height. And here I just created this one. Don't let yourself come last on your own list. Here I can get all these ideas from ChatGPT in this previous step. So I just make a checklist that contains different priorities like family, work, health, and me on the last of my list. So I get this one from ChatGPT, like this one. Here you can find prioritizing yourself, this concept, self-care, and element checklist graphic that contains different items like family, work, health, and so on. And this text or the wisdom of this image, don't let yourself come last on your own list. So I just created this image on Canva. So I just head over to element section, the main part of this image, and look for something like a checklist, depend on the item given by ChatGPT. So head over to graphics or photos or any suitable item to be included on your image as you see. Then just I use some text words and insert family, work, health, and me, and this statement. So I just create a beautiful image. Any blogger or any content creators talk about this topic or this relevant topic like social connection, the relationship, and so on. He will use and search for these relevant images on Shutterstock or Adobe Stock and much more. So he will use this image on his article and so forth. And not only that, I just created another image regarding digital marketing and SEO. Here I get this SEO word from graphics section or from this element section and this graph as well. And then insert these text or these numbers that refers to by using the SEO requirements or SEO techniques, you can make your website and article jump from the 5th page to the first one as you see. And just I insert a background of algorithms. Of course, I got all these elements from the Canva library. So you can create beautiful images using canva.com based on the information and data given on ChatGPT in the previous step as you see. The image with its concept and elements as you see, with different topics, with different niches as you observe. The first method to create images, wonderful images to sell on Shutterstock as a contributor, is by using canva.com that convey concepts and ideas. And the second step, you will love it so much. Here you can start with going to Chrome Web Store, then install this Chrome extension that says Screenshot YouTube. Here by using this amazing plugin, you can take any screenshot of any second in any video without any watermark with high quality. So when you activate and install this amazing plugin in your Chrome browser, head over to YouTube. And here on YouTube, just you can search for something like drone footage cities, drone countries, drone temples, and so on and so forth. Here you can find tons of these beautiful videos that's made by drone in any country or any city as you like. Regular videos, shorts, and so forth. And if you like, it's up to you. Just you can head over to filter all these videos as common creatives as you like from this one, filters and the common creatives. When you like one of these beautiful ones like Barcelona, so you can open this video. So here you can close the subtitles or this caption. And now you can find, after activating this Chrome extension that says YouTube screenshot, here you can find down below this video. And if you land on one of these scenes like this one, just you can click over this button to take a screenshot of this amazing moment. Then you can take multiple shots from this video as you like and from different videos. Then it's time now to edit this image a little bit to make it newer and unique. Of course, you can use any program, any software you like, even canva.com. So here, if you use Canva, just go back to canva.com, open a new canvas here, a new page, and upload your photo. Then set image as background as you see. Then to edit this image, here you can find up there different tools to edit this image. So you can click over this edit one, then adjust, so you can find these customization tools. You can change anything like for light brightness, make it darker a little bit, contrast as you see, highlight, shadows, whites in this image, vibrance, saturation a little bit, texture, sharpness as you see, clarity, and so on and so forth. So here you can add a personal touch on this amazing image, so it will be yours just without any copyright. And now you can download it from Canva and upload there on Shutterstock or Adobe Stock as you like. Then for sure you can insert the title of Barcelona city and so on, and a simple description and tags. You can get them from ChatGPT, and for sure These such images that talk about cities, countries, landscape, and so on is highly demanded on Shutterstock and these search marketplaces. A third method to get amazing images to sell on Shutterstock is by an awesome website that says napkin.ai. Here by this wonderful website you can create and craft beautiful infographics that convey any message you want. So here you can sign up and head over to this button, get napkin free, and then we can drop on this page and you can generate a text using AI. Here you can insert a topic or a keyword about anything you want. Then it gives you a whole paragraph or a whole article talking about this awesome topic. So for example, if I talk about it, then continue, and here just in a matter of seconds here you can find a detailed article about this topic. And if you notice this one, for every single point here you can find this icon or this electricity icon. If you click over this one, it generates high quality infographic regarding this paragraph. So you can take it as this amazing tool, scans every single sentence and convert it into a beautiful infographic. So let's try it. Click over this one. And here, as for setting clear goals, you'll find a beautiful image or infographic like this one or this one, different styles as you see that represent the same idea given in this paragraph. As you see, smart goal setting framework, relevant, achievable, measurable, specific goal setting, and so on and so forth with different colors or different styles. So you can go back and select different one like this one for example, and so on. And if you like this one to take it as an image and sell afterwards on Shutterstock, here you can download it for free without any even watermark. For sure, many people and content creators search for different infographics to insert on their articles and their videos to transfer different ideas and the concepts easily and digestible for audience. And for sure you can repeat this process for every single paragraph if you want. Here a good point you would find: if you highlight different paragraphs at the same time, you can create an infographic that presents these amazing points in the same image. Thus you can get beautiful infographics as images that anyone can use as posts on social media or images on their content as they want. And for sure I just talked about how you can make money online using infographics and how to get them for free professionally. You can find this video in the description box and the first comment. Thus, by the end of the video, you got to know different 3 ways to get and make different and wonderful images without any depending on AI image generators. So you can sell them on marketplaces like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and much more. You can find down below in the description box the first comment a big list of the most suitable websites to sell your images for free without any problem. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can leave us in the comment section. See you in the next video.